Hello children, this is my first video for class 4 and today we are going to start with chapter number 1. So let's begin. The name of the chapter is I Love My India, and in this chapter we are going to discuss various facts related to our country. India is in Asia, which is the largest continent in the world, and its exact location is in the southern part of Asia. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area after Russia, which is at the first position, then Canada, followed by USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and then comes our country India, which is at the seventh position. And in terms of population, India is the second largest country after China, and third position goes to USA. Our country India holds a special position which has Himalayas in the north and a peninsula in the south. Now you must be wondering what is peninsula, and to be precise we can say peninsula is any land covered by water on three sides. Like we can see in this map, this is India, and the southern portion of India here, you can see it is covered by water bodies on three sides. Like we have Arabian Sea on the west and Indian Ocean in the south and Bay of Bengal in the east. So it is this portion of India is covered by water on three sides. So this is our peninsular India, which is in the southern part, and the northern on the north we have Himalayas spread out, and it acts as a natural boundary for our country. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. However, the southernmost tip of the country is the Indira Point. It is in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This picture, which you can see, is the whole of our country, which consists of the mainland of India with its two major islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. If we talk about the southernmost part of the mainland of India, it is Kanyakumari. And if we talk about the southernmost part of the whole of India, it will be the Indira Point, which is located in the Andaman, which is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. As we know, India is a very big country. So it shares land boundaries with various countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So now let us see all our neighboring countries in the map. This is our country, India. As we have read that India has India shares border with various countries which are in the neighbor. Like we have Pakistan, we have Afghanistan, we have Nepal here, we have China, we have Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar. We also have neighbors across the sea, which are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Moving on to next point, we are going to discuss about the political division of India. As we know, India became an independent country on August 15, 1947, and since then it slowly got divided into various states and cities and like that. And now at present we have 28 states and 9 the union territories. Here you can see it's 29, but after the division of Jammu and Kashmir, we are left with only 28 states and 9 union territories, with its capital being National Capital Territory of Delhi. On the next page, we have the list of various states with the capital, and here you can see it's Jammu and Kashmir, but like it has been removed now because it is no more a state and it is divided into two union territories. And here on the other column, you can see we have seven UTs, but now it will be nine. Eighth being Jammu and Kashmir, and the ninth being Ladakh. Moving on to next page, let us see some more facts related to our political division of India. So here the first point is Rajasthan, which is the largest state in terms of area in our country, in India, the whole of India, and Goa being the smallest state. The seven states in northeastern India are called the Seven Sisters. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Let me show you Seven Sisters on the map. This is north of India, this is east, and the part in the middle is the northeast. And the states here, as you can see, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and three more states. This full area, so all seven states are commonly known as Seven Sisters. Telangana is the newly formed state which has been carved out of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and Amravati being the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see in this map here. This full area was once called Andhra Pradesh. After and then it was divided into two parts, and the part in the northern part became Telangana and the southern one became Andhra Pradesh. So now let us move to the next topic, which is physical division. This is the physical map of India, and as we all know that India is a very big country. Our it is divided into various like five physical divisions. The first division is the northern mountains, which you can see here, this brown part. Then we have the plains, northern and coastal plains. These are this green portion you can see here. It's a northern plain, and along the border with water, these are the like coastal plains. Then we have western desert on the western part of India, and then we have the southern plateau, this orange portion. This is the plateau known as Deccan Plateau or Southern Plateau. And at last we have the islands. As we have discussed earlier, India has two islands here, the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep. So this is the end of this chapter, and we will discuss more about the physical division of India in the next four chapters. So thank you and have a nice day.